Okay, in today's video, I will be showing you how to use a Numatic Henry Hoover. The Hoover model is the Numatic NVR 211 vacuum cleaner that I bought from Amazon for around £100. The cable is neatly hidden away with this trouble-free cable rewind system. It has a long 12.5 metre cable, so saves you from unplugging the machine. So let's first plug him in. In this video I will be testing two nozzles on my lovely blue rug carpet, you can see here, which is a medium thickness, and we will find out which one performs the best at the end of the video. Okay, with this Hoover you get three metal ones that easily connect together. The Hoover comes with nozzles for different surfaces. You get the soft brushes for delicate surfaces, and the extra Numatic Hoover came with an Aero Brush, which is ideal to pick up pet hair. However, some models don't come with the Aero Brush, but you can order one on Amazon. This is the all-purpose nozzle for carpets and hard floors. You also get an adapter to connect with your nozzle directly to the black pipe. I've already connected the poles together with the curved pole at the top to grip on. So I'm going to demonstrate the Aero Brush first on this rug. So let me just connect the curved pole to this bit here, and we are ready to test the Aero Brush. As you can see, it has no trouble picking up the dirt, and it easily glides along the rug. It also has this compartment where you can remove the trapped items, and the brush is very powerful, and I definitely recommend you have one of these. It's now been 2 years since I've had this, and it still performs really well. I haven't had any problems with it so far, so fingers crossed I hope it will last for many more years to come. I was weary of buying a bag Hoover, as I was used to the bagless vacuum cleaners, namely the Dyson Hoover, as you don't have to worry about changing the bag, etc. But the Henry is easy to maintain, and the bag is large enough to last for months, so you're not having to change the bag all the time. Before we trial out the all-purpose nozzle, I'm just going to use this nozzle for tighter corners around the edges. pipes are long enough to reach high places like the ceiling. And this nozzle is also good to clean objects like this camcorder bag that also has a lot of dust on it. Okay, I'm now going to test the all-purpose nozzle on the blue rug. And I'm finding it very difficult to clean the rug. It's not gliding as smoothly as the Aero Brush. It's very hard to move the nozzle back and forth. I find it easy to brush the nozzle down in one direction like this. It's picking up the dust. It's picking up the dust and dirt, but with difficulty. It does perform better on my other rug, which is not as thick as the blue rug. So the winner has to be, on this occasion, the Aero Brush. It performs a lot better than the all-purpose nozzle. It glided more easily and I didn't have any problems with it. Finally, I just want to show you the dust bags that you get from Amazon for only £10. They're very strong and durable, as I mentioned before. You only need to change the bags every 3 months. They're so easy to replace with no mess. The bags will fit the Henry, Hetty, Harry and James models. It's important to use the dust bags if you want to extend the life of your Hoover. Yes, I love this Hoover. It's compact and manages to pick up a lot of dirt as it has a massive 9-litre capacity, and you only need to change the bags every 3 to 4 months. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to see more how-to videos.
We copy you down, Eagle.
Houston, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for Henry.